Hi, I'm Deb Timmerman.
And I'm Beth Tuttle. We are the creators of Simply Successful Kids. In this session, we are going to talk about how stress in early childhood changes the brain's neural pathways. A neural pathway is a series of nerve cells called neurons that are connected together. Their job is to send information from one area of the brain to another. You can think of neural pathways as a big telecommunications network.
During the first 3 years of life, more than 1 million new neural connections form in a child's brain every second. Those connections form the brain's neural pathways. Depending on the child's experiences, certain pathways become stronger than others. The experiences we refer to are interactions with parents and caregivers, the surroundings in which a child is raised, how safe a child feels, and the amount of stress within the family home.
The body is so smart that it uses a process called pruning to make the brain more efficient. Pruning keeps the neural pathways that are strong and gets rid of those that are not being used or are underdeveloped. It's like pruning a plant and getting the weak branches and dead leaves off, so the healthy part of the plant can thrive. Pruning in the brain is a little more complicated because it happens based on the experiences a child is having.
The brain considers the neural pathways that are getting the most attention to be the healthiest, and those that are not being used or are not being developed as the weakest. The way our neural pathways develop determines how well our brain can send information from one part of the brain to another and how we respond to stress.
Now that you know how neural pathways form, think back to your childhood and your early experiences. Do your early life experiences influence how you handle stress now? Do your child's?
In our next video, we'll share how you can form new neural pathways in the brain that build resilience. Here's a hint. If you're using the exercises you downloaded from 5 Tips to Stop Stress, you are already creating new neural pathways. Thanks for listening.